I think we're looking for fresh okra. Mom's going to cook us some, fresh okra. There's one there.
Fried okra, one of the easiest things to do. I've picked my okra, I have washed it and cut it up into little pieces, they're about ½ inch rounds. Now what we did was, as soon as we finished washing it good, we didn't dry it off. We immediately rolled it in nothing but yellow cornmeal. Now I want to know if my oil is hot enough, and I'm going to just drop one of those little pieces in the oil. And if it begins to bubble and raise up to the top of your pan, then your oil is hot enough and you can begin your deep frying. What I'm going to do is just kind of loosely, I don't want to knock any more of that oil or that cornmeal off. I'm going to pick that up, get a nice little bunch in my slotted spoon there, and I'm going to put that into the oil. And this is one thing, unfortunately, you have to stand over and watch so it doesn't get too overdone. We want them a nice golden brown. Okay, I have a plate here with a paper towel on it. Now it doesn't take very long for these to cook, but it takes longer for your fresh okra than it does for frozen. And I'm just going to dip those out onto my plate. And each time that I dip those out, I am going to put, while they're still a little oily, I'm going to put just a little sea salt over those. Time for another batch to go in. Okay, I believe our last little batch is in. Take those out, salt them, serve them up. You're talking about a good old southern meal here. You might give this a try. It totally tastes different than just regular cooked okra. Give it a try, I think you'll like it.